When it comes to your landscaping maintenance needs in Berks County, Newcastle is your go-to resource for outstanding results that boost the visual appeal and functionality of your spaces. For over 25 years, Newcastle has been transforming properties in Berks and surrounding counties, offering top-tier outdoor services such as hardscape and landscape design, lawn care, tree care, property maintenance, planting and enhancements, and much, much more. Our team of over 60 people have the collective expertise to ensure that every job is done with excellence. At Newcastle Lawn and Landscape, we believe you should love all aspects of your home, especially your time spent outdoors. Get a quote today and give yourself the opportunity to enjoy your property in all of its beauty.